In this video I will teach you how to open most of bottle lock. For example, I choose Tylenol Ultra Relief. First open packet and check instruction on top of bottle cap. As you can see on cap, mark 1 straight with bottle and mark 2 open the bottle. As you can see, if I open bottle normally it will not work because cap mark is not on the right place. So first of all we have to straight cap mark as marked on bottle. Now you can open the bottle easily. This lock is special designed to protect from children's. Remember, always read instruction on packet.